Just looking into world population figures, and there are apparently 1.5 billion people in China and India, or approaching 1.5 billion, and it's just virtually impossible to conceptualize that number. It's just awesome how people are producing more people at an incredible rate. I feel like we're bound to breed ourselves into extinction. I don't think this can possibly be sustainable. There's only so much water and food and shelter and energy to support a population like this, and it just keeps on rising. And if you have 1.5 billion people in your population, there's going to be an awful lot of children coming out of that. And so the population just keeps on rising exponentially. It just keeps on increasing. And it's absolutely crazy future ahead of us, I think.